Hello, I'm Jeffrey David Allen Ellicksman with CertaSite Fire, Life, and Safety, and this is our continual education program. Today's topic, the near miss and CAPA form. What is a near miss? A near miss is an accident that almost happened. No one was injured. That's the top section of the form. The bottom section is CAPA, which stands for corrective and preventable action. So let's demonstrate how this form is used. In the top section, you identify a near miss that occurred. Let's say you were walking out in the shop, you look down on the floor, and you see oil spill, liquid all over the floor. You've seen it, no one has been injured, and you take action on correcting that problem. You take drywall powder, you put it all over the oil spill, and you sweep it up. That is identifying a near miss, and that is taking corrective action to correct the problem. Why does this form exist? Every safety program is required to have a near miss and CAPA program in it, and we have that, which then means we have a lessonly course, which also means we have a quiz. And that leads us to the form. You must have a form, but better than that, more importantly than that, we have to show that we implement the form. We are asked by third-party administrators, insurance companies, subcontractors, contractors, anyone of authority, OSHA included, who says, do you have a near miss and CAPA form? Yes, we do. Please send me examples of when you've used this form. You're going to find the form on CertaSite Hub under the Safety tab named Near Miss CAPA. You fill out the top section, which shows the date, the time, the place, the location, and a description of what you've discovered. The bottom half of the form, you're going to identify those steps you took care of. Interestingly enough, I've had people tell me, managers, general managers say, I'm not going to do this form. And you're like, why not? Because if I send in 12 of these forms or 5 of these forms, it's going to show this warehouse or this job site is out of control and we got problems. Quite the contrary. It shows continual education, learning, and development, and we're constantly trying to improve ourselves. Now, we can't force you a quantity. I can't tell you you've got to go out and do 12 for the month. You have to find these on your own. We don't want to pencil whip them, but we want to take advantage of any time we see something to do that. And now this form is available to you on CertaSite Hub under the Safety tab. As with any form or any safety issue, do not hesitate to call if you have a question. And as always, be safe out there. And of course, thanks for taking the time to spend the time.